Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain my project. I hope it could be understandable. So I'm going to be short and I hope you like it. Okay, let's begin. So the project is very simple. We are going to develop an interactive augmented reality mirror, and the same principle we can apply to a transparent showcase or a transparent fridge, right? A showcase fridge. So for this purpose, we can use second-hand monitors, like we can see right there. You can use, for example, a display like this or a television or something. Join this element, Raspberry Pi, and the software we can create something like this. Okay. Later, with open source software, for example, from the Raspberry Pi, we can develop something like that. I can show you here. For example, this user in this figure can check it out, the apps from the mirror. But for this project, we consider that the user can use the cell phone in order to scan the applications. You see, it can scan the applications, and of course, they can go to a website or a land page or educational lesson, whatever you want. It's limitless. Okay, so the same principle we can use for showcase, because with the same monitor or the same TV, we can disassemble and take the upper part of the panel, or the display in this case, and take something like this, and we put some backlight at the end. We create something like this. At the same as the mirror, we can take the same principle. So you can see here in this figure. So for example, this is a transparent showcase. You can see behind the showcase, you can see a product. Or you can see, for example, in a museum, you can put a figure or a reliquia or something like this for learning. And of course, you can apply QR codes or apps in which you can scan with the cell phone in order to verify its information. Okay, so that's the same principle. You can use it for displays, touchscreens, whatever, but in these projects we can use it for interactive mirrors in this case, and transparent showcase like this or like this, but with the difference that you can use cell phones. Well, the user can interact with the cell phone and scan the applications that you can see on the surface of the screen and verify the information. Could be a website, could be a land page, could be a educative information, whatever. So that's the point. And you can use second-hand monitors, right? And mini computers or Raspberry, second-hand. You don't need new ones. So it's very cheap to develop. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope see you in another opportunity.